Thanks for clicking. In this video you'll watch me build a stone staircase. Watch until the end to see the final amazing product. I'm building in 3 parts here. First is the actual building, second is pointing, where I fill all the joins with mortar, and third is brushing, where I sand down the extra mortar from the pointing, revealing the final product. Also, if you enjoy this video, please subscribe and hit the like button. When I hit 10k subs, I'll start my OnlyFans, called Mason with a Micro.